Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV guys, and guys, right here I have some strawberry and so I'm gonna attempt to make strawberry jam. Never do it before. I'm not following a recipe, I'm just going with what is in my head. So come along guys as I try to make this strawberry jam. Alright guys, so okay guys, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up this strawberry. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please continue to watch my videos, subscribe, comment, so that YouTube would know that you like my videos. Help me grow my channel guys. I know this is faceless videos most of the time, but guys, right now this is what I'm comfortable with. Every now and then I'll do a face video with my face in it, or I do my intro with my face in it. But sometimes it's kind of easier doing the faceless. Until I get the hang of it guys, then for now I'm gonna do faceless. Tell me what you think guys, do you like the faceless videos? So guys, I'm just gonna cut up these. Gonna put my kettle to boil some water. Guys, I'm not following a recipe. I'm just gonna do what is it I think is in my head and see how this come out. Sometimes it's better to make your own stuff guys, because at least you know what is in it and that it's healthier. The only thing in this not gonna be healthy is the sugar, but then you can't make it without the sugar. You need some kind of thickening, something to thicken it, which is the sugar. But then the good thing about it, it's not something you're just gonna eat, you're just gonna put it on bread or something, or crackers. Alright guys, so guys, when I finish cut up this, I'll check you back because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay guys, I'm gonna use brown sugar. So guys, remember I'm not following a recipe, so I'm gonna put a couple spoons. Oh my lord. Just put, So I'm just gonna put some brown sugar guys. Not putting a lot because it's not a lot of strawberries. And then I'm gonna put this on the stove to cook guys. Guys, I'm not putting no salt. I don't know if you put salt in this, but I'm not putting salt. Maybe I'm gonna put some. Should I put some cinnamon? I don't know. But guys, I'll check it back guys. Oh, so guys, I'm gonna use a little bit of boiling water, just a little bit to cook it. And now I'm gonna put it on the stove guys. So now I put it on the stove and I'm gonna leave it, let it cook. So just mix in the sugar. Guys, I don't know if you put salt and all these nice cinnamon and all these things in this stuff, so I'm just gonna leave it, let it cook down. Yes guys, it's sweet. So I'm gonna just let it boil down until it cook down guys. Alright guys, first thing guys, never walk away, leave your jam covered. If you're making jam, don't cover it. 2, don't walk away, leave it. You could walk away guys, but turn the stove down and low and don't walk away, because guys, I walk away, leave my pot and go in my living room and I'm sitting around there, and guys, when I come, the jam boil over the pot and in my stove. Look at the pot guys, that's what happened. It boiled over and there was strawberry and sugar everywhere. So guys, don't walk away. So right now guys, I'm crushing out the strawberry. I don't even know if I should. I think I'm just gonna turn it down and low, let it cook, because right now I can't put no more sugar in there. I can't put no water in it. So I'm just gonna crush it out with this crusher, potato crusher. So I'm gonna crush it out and I'm gonna put the stove on low so it can finish cook guys, because guys, I boil all the liquid boil out in this stove. So When you're making your jam, don't cover it. I think the fact that I cover it, that's what happened. So it boil up and boil out in the stove. So as I say, I'm making my first homemade jam. Strawberry jam. Yes, guys. So guys, I will check you back, guys. Alright. Okay, guys, so here come the jam. It's already boiled down, guys. It's a little bit thick. And so, guys, I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit because I think it's too chunky. So I'm gonna put it in my bullet and then I'm gonna blend it out because all the water is boiled out. It's just the sugar and the jam and the strawberry. So not strawberry. Yeah. No, strawberry. Yes, strawberry. Oh gosh, guys. Sometimes my brain freeze. Yes, strawberry, guys. So see, it's nice and thick. Even though a lot of the liquid boil out in the stove, guys, never walk away from your jam when you're making it because especially if you walk away and you cover it, it's gonna boil out in the stove. So don't leave it cover. Leave it uncover and medium heat. Yes, I put it on high heat and then I cover it and then it boil out. But guys, it's thick. So what I'm gonna do is too chunky, guys, and I try to mash it out, but it's not mashing out. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna let it cool down and put it in my bullet and blend it out. Alright guys, watch the process. I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, I put the jam because I don't like the chunkiness, so I'm just gonna blend this. So there you go, guys. And then I'm gonna pour it in my glass jar. Guys, if you're gonna blend your jam, make sure you let it cool down a little bit. So that's it there, guys. And guys, don't just leave this out on your counter. Guys, sorry, I'm sniffling, guys. I have allergies. I'm having fall allergies. So guys, guys, what a mess I'm doing this morning. So, oh guys, it's so sweet. Yes, guys. So there you goes the jam. I blend mine out because I don't like the chunky. So that's it, guys. You can make your whole homemade jam. Guys, I'm not losing any of this jam because after so much of it boil out in the stove. Hey. Guys, don't leave your jam. If you're making your strawberry, blueberry jam, whatever jam, don't cover it. If you cover it, it's gonna boil out in the stove. So guys, that's the jam right there. Sorry guys, it's still on the side when I'm pouring it. It's so good, guys. So guys, I'm gonna have some with crackers. Hold on guys, let me show you can eat it with crackers. So okay guys, so here goes the crackers. I'm taking it off the blender, guys. I guess you just put it on your crackers, guys. I'm just showing you how you can put it. Just put it on your crackers, put it on your bread, and there you go, voila, your own homemade jam, strawberry jam, guys. Guys, you can see, but it tastes so good. No preservative, no nothing other than 2 ingredients, sugar and strawberry. Why do I keep saying blueberry? Strawberry. No gum, no nothing, no thickener, nothing. Homemade jelly. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe and share. Sorry guys, it tastes so good, guys. Make your own stuff, guys. Make your own stuff. Keep them in the fridge. Don't make a lot one time because sorry guys, it doesn't have preservative, and so it probably quicker to spoil. But if you make a small portion, you keep it in your fridge, you can use it up in no time. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this on the counter. I'm not gonna cover it completely. I'm gonna leave it on the counter, let it cool down. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share. And take care of yourself. Walk good until next time. And remember that Jesus loves you, and I do too. Take care of yourself, guys.